What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're actually going to be going to the Chillerton Lake Car Show 2.0. So last year we went, I don't know if you guys remember, it was a pretty big car show. It was at our local lake over here. There was a lot of cars showed up, so they're doing it again this year. So we're going to be heading out there in a few hours, but first we got to get the cars washed. Both the E46 M3 and my car right there are really dirty. Nautic is on his way here right now, and Greg also, because Greg's car is really dirty as well. They're on their way here right now, and we're gonna get all the cars washed so we can all head out together to the show. It should be a pretty big turnout. Last year we waited like an hour just like on the road just to get into the freaking show. So yeah, this time we're probably gonna take another road around just so we can get in a little bit easier. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for them right now. We're gonna get these cars washed and head out to the show. All right guys, we got the cars pulled up. Nautic already went ahead and started washing them down. So we're gonna get these things washed up and then get back to you guys. We're still waiting on Greg to come through. Damn, that shit's shooting more shots than Greg's car. Greg, that's louder than your car.
Hey, that shit got a bully tune on it.
It's got a cam. It's got an E85 tune. We just got done washing Greg's car. Just need to dry it up. We already washed the E46 and my car as well, which is parked over here. Sheesh, look at this lineup. Got a GT350, Ash's Vet, and then my car in the back, which we just got done washing. Ash's Vet is looking really nice. Still got to do a video on this soon. But yeah, it's a badass lineup. We're gonna go ahead and finish Greg's car and then meet up with a couple guys and then head out to the show.
I don't have gas, but I have ethanol. Definitely.
Weird flex, but okay.
He's a fucker.
Oh, he fox, bro. Damn. That's good. That's staying. That's staying in the video. Yeah. Alright, we were supposed to meet up with the guys, but we're just gonna meet them up over there at the show. So we're all heading out now. Alright guys, we just showed up to the lake. Got the boys behind. It's a long ass line to get in. It wasn't as long as we were expecting, but still a pretty big line. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the show. I'm gonna go ahead and park and then show you guys all the cars.
Oh, we should have got some drink on. I wish
Need those wheels. There's a lot of freaking cars. We got a lot of cars to look at today. This little Golf got a V8.
Piece of shit car.
This is money in me.
It's pretty dope. Full tube front end. Not full tube front end. What, a Kia Stinger?
Yes, sir.
After the Vadash, this is the upgrade?
No, that's the GTR replacement.
GTR replacement? I like this S14.
Oh, the loading dock was lower.
Yeah. The water's low, so loading dock's low.
That's why it's not as packed as it is. Because it goes up here.
All money guilty.
I think clutch is coming out.
Why does Z4 got slicks on?
That's suspicious. What do you do, baby boo? Angeles? Did you know on S2Ks you have to put the key in and then
click the button?
And
Yes.
it has no cup holders?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is my dream wheels.
Only
My
was
GTI
either
right here. Then.
B18 or B20.
I want to get some reg
Really?
masters. Hell yeah.
TEs.
Fuck
TEs.
these, bro. Reg masters of the world. You know how much this shit weighs?
I know, they're like nothing. It was really nice. We got the homie David's car right here. And then Tony's car. Car's looking good with the new wrap. Hey, do a burnout. Do a burnout. Oh, sheesh. I was like, this car looks familiar. What's up, man?
We'll park behind you.
All right.
Watch out, watch out. Okay, it's Mustangs in Fresno, huh? How are you?
What's up? Oh shit! He came out of the car hot. Someone just got pulled over right now. That cop came out of the car hot.
Imagine if they block it all off and they have everyone fucking spot check. I don't care, I'll go over shit.
Give him a break.
What are you doing?
Free my mans.
You ain't do nothing.
He ain't do nothing. He's not even a real cop, bro. He's a California State Park cop. Yeah, that's fucked up. How you gonna embarrass your homie in front of like all these people? I think he's letting him go.
Worse by coming up closer.
He's a ranger. He's my fucking Ford Ranger.
Oh, well, basically it's a Subaru, so he blew the head gas.
He's right at the stop sign. Stop it. Stop it.
Ah, I see.
Stop it.
Ah, he let him go.
You ran a stop sign?
Yeah. Is that a Supra?
Yeah.
There's a Viper in the middle of all these JDM cars. That's a nice Viper though. This is nice. These wheels are sick.
I think the line went down.
I love those wheels. It needs a little bit more low, but check out the Supra first. There's some TEs. It's automatic, but it's still a Supra. That shit's fire. This is too the Corolla. Shit. Corolla with the F20 swap.
Well, yeah, he came a long way.
Corolla. Let's more to me. Check out the C46 M3. HRE.
Got a car seat in the back.
6-speed too.
Oh shit.
It's pretty clean. That shit's really clean. It's all stock, besides the wheels. This looks exactly like my color. I think it's literally the same color. Burning out here. Bro, it's pretty damn hot.
Lick it.
That's nice. On some Cosmos wheels. We got the domestic crew right here, besides this E-Class. A nice GT350. And then best of all, we got that Camry right there. And now that's a Prius.
Hold up.
That's my type of Prius right there.
It's all around there.
Cool little 335. Some Apexes.
Okay, yeah, just go over.
Let's see what he's got done.
Yeah, man.
This is nice. It's got the S15 front end. Some nice F80 and some HREs.
Bet, brother, man. Hey, this is clean as fuck.
Is that a hybrid?
It's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid Civic.
Koch is bringing the...
Nah, they're pushing it, I think. The homie Yaya's pulling up. Yeah, yeah.
Is that Yaya CR1?
More Supras. That's beautiful. It's a clean ass RX-7. It's like my color. This is clean. On some work wheels.
That is beautiful.
This is beautiful.
You know that guy traded his in for like 20K?
Yep. Oh, that's gorgeous. On some, yep. On some Volks.
It is a Honda.
It is a Honda.
Should have got one.
Well, that's gorgeous. Oh my, what is Hodge doing? I think Hodge got the best parking over there. We got pretty good spots here too. There's the homie Sam's car right here. We got Yahya's car, the vet. Obviously D46.
Okay. I think you should powder coat a white coat.
Yeah, I think we should too.
Like,
We got the
big
rent a
ass
cops
stores
right here.
everywhere, you know what I mean?
Alright guys, we're about to head out right now. We're about to go grab some food. Show's basically over anyway. That thing looks so freaking clean. G in the Mustang and Greg just raced, but seems like neither of them can really catch traction. I think the Mustang was catching traction, but Greg's car definitely wasn't. There's no traction, huh? Oh, it's gone? Fuck. Well, time for a new clutch! Alright guys, we just got back home. I'm tired as heck right now. I think I'm gonna go take a nap. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.